Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to slice in Affinity Designer. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and switch to Pixel Studio and then come here, click on these three dots. Then I want you to just come here and search for knife tool. And then I want you to go ahead and click on that and drag it here. Once you have your knife tool here, I want you to just click on this arrow, click on knife tool, and then you can go ahead and draw your slice. So you can slice it however you want. So you can make a straight line by holding shift. As you can see, you make your straight line to slice it like that. Or you can just do a slice like this. Let's go ahead and do a much better slice, as you can see. Then after that, you can just come here and go ahead and select these. So if I just go ahead and right click here, and then I go ahead and click on ungroup all, as you can see, now I'll be able to bring these down. So I can also just go ahead and hold shift to select multiple of them at once. And then I can move it down. As you can see, the slice effect takes into place. Let's go ahead and grab that as well. And there you go. There's our slice effect. And that is how to slice in Affinity Designer. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.